Welcome to the historically accurate cartoon princess dances. Today we are going to take a journey with the Nutcracker and the 4 dances of the Victorian era. Our first dance of the Victorian era is the Gallop, or the Gallopade. In the beginning of the Nutcracker ballet, there is a children's gallop, and we are going to dance the Gallopade to that same piece of music from Tchaikovsky. So the Gallopade was definitely a very popular dance at the beginning of the Victorian era. It premiered in 1792 in Poland and then made its big splash into society in 1820 through Russia. There's some contention as to which country truly gets the title for this dance or claim to fame. The Gallopade is a fun frolic across the floor, and we are going to have fun learning this Victorian dance. Variation 1 today will be the 8-count gallop. It will look like this.
And
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Variation 2 of the gallop is a 4-count gallop, or Gallopade, and it will look like this.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
Our third variation of the gallop is the 2-count gallop, which later looks like our polka, and it looks like this.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.